fish. Yep.
Luke kept saying, we're in too deep water. I went back and played him right before that rain comes. Got one. Yep.
Ah! He let go. Gosh almighty, did you see that? That's a good one.
First cast. That was very good.
He's hooked good.
That's a good one. That didn't hit water.
Yeah, he hit the water. I gave it one twitch and he blew it up. Oh, you got it. You got it. You got him. You got him. There you go.
That's a good man.
He's pretty good.
Snagged him.
No, he bit it. I watched it happen.
I want a picture of him tonight.
Oh! Oh! Did you just see that? Whoa! That's awesome, dude! Sorry for the high-pitched voice, guys. I thought I saw a big brown body coming in at it. Fish. Yep, I got something. Oh! That's a good one. That's a nice one. We have about 30 seconds of video left before it goes out. So guys, it's been a great day. Small creek, fishing the Caffeine Shad and Rebel Craw. You really can't go wrong with those baits. Get in your creeks, have a blast.